Hey Cajon drummers, it's been a little while since we've had one of these kind of tutorials where, well, simply, I just want to show you a technique. Nothing too crazy, but if you like the sound of this, keep going through this video, see some of the different variations of it. Of course, I'm going to slow it down, show you from a couple of different angles to help you get a feel for the technique yourself. But why don't we start it out really slow, and I'll just show you what each individual movement is. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that gives us all something to work with now. If you're playing this for the first time, it may be a while that you're down at that low tempo before you can bring it up to any of those faster speeds that you've heard or you may hear later on in this video. But what you might like next is some kind of exercise to give you some structure to practicing this. I've just got something really simple. Go into the bass 4 times, going up to the snare 4 times. If the speed that I'm doing it in this video is a little bit too fast, YouTube does have a function to slow down a video, right? A little settings icon and then playback speed. So if you do want to play along with me, you could slow it down, speed it up even, but after that, maybe spend some time practicing this by yourself, and then for the rest of the video, just enjoy the different examples and ideas that hopefully I can give you. 1, 2, 3, 4. By the way, I think this needs a name. If this technique already exists with a name, leave it down below in the comments because, you know, with music, usually you think you've come up with something, but it's been around for a long time. I'm calling it the knock roll, or maybe a little more exciting, the knock and roll. Yeah, you don't have to call it that, but knock roll. Okay, so it's a combination between something you've seen 100 times on this channel before, which is a finger roll, and something else that you may have seen on this channel, a knuckle knock. All right, so how about some fills using this technique? Okay, now do we have a bonus for you viewers who have stuck around in this video? This is actually also really fun to reverse. So instead of the right hand playing the knock part, the left hand will play the knock part and will lead the pattern off with the roll on the right hand. So a little exercise you could maybe make out of this is going the original way, take a little rest, then going the inverted way, and kind of bounce back and forth between them. Okay, so let's listen now to how that exercise works, and then I have kind of a crazy groove to show you. Alright, so as I said, I just really wanted to share a technique with you today. It's been a while since I've been able to, I guess, come up with or discover, I should say, some extra sounds that we can get out of the cajon, some extra textures that we can use in our grooves and fills. So when that does happen, it's very exciting because I get to make a video like this one. If you're interested in learning a little more structured kind of courses, things like that, I do also have a members area on my channel. If you hit that join button below, it'll give you some extra information about that. If you're interested in spending a little more time learning cajon with me, that would be one great way to do it. Otherwise, I'm sure I'll see you again pretty soon, hopefully with a video as exciting as this one. If you did enjoy it, please give it a like. If you are here for the first time and you like these videos, you want to see more, hit the subscribe button. I will show up in your news feed, subscription feed here on YouTube when I post something new. Thank you so much for being a wonderful community of Cajon drummers. I love you all. I will see you again very soon. Catch you later.